till you're
downtown. Go, cut the bull, get off my mullet. Stonewash so raw, I'm gonna pay like a bullet. Yeah, you can't catch me. I'm a po-po, can't recommend me. I'm in a b-boy stance, I'm not dancing. I got your girl on the back going tandem. Cause I'm too damn quick, I'm too damn slick. Hold downtown yelling out, who that is?
It's me, the M, the A, C, the K. Sounded like a French pimp bump back in the day. I take it to ponder.
Welcome back to Malachi's Journey to Financial Freedom. We've been doing a lot recently. We're talking about Forex trading bots, some crypto trading bots on the MT4 platform. I'm going to do some more on spot trading crypto bots, but I haven't gotten there yet. And we've been showing options trading as well. So if you're into that, great. If you're not, hopefully I'm covering something that works for you. There's always something different. So I try and show everything that I'm doing because I know that not everything is for everybody. I really like to take a quote out of something one of my sergeants in the Army told me many years ago. And he said that not every supervisor is going to have things that you like. They're going to have things you like about them and things you dislike. And so try and take the things you like and emulate those, and try and not take the things you dislike and don't emulate those, right? So I'm kind of doing the same thing when I'm talking about my journey to financial freedom with giving people all the things that I do. And I know that not everyone is going to like the things that I like. Not all of it's going to ring out to you. It's not going to pull you in. So I kind of try and show you everything and let you pick what works for you. Just remember that all trading is risky and you can lose some of all of your money. Let's jump into the MyFX book and I'll show you the results, and then we'll look at the MT4 platform. This is the Bitcoin trading bot review. If I didn't say that, I probably didn't, but I tend to meander sometimes. If you want to see the setup, I'll throw a link. I always mess it up. I think it's up there. I think it's on my right hand. I will throw a link up there for you to watch that initial setup video and see how we set it up. As you can see, we started this November 14th on a $1,000 account. The reason I started on a $1,000 account is I am looking for things with lower drawdown that we can run on the accounts. And I will be honest, the results were a lot better than I expected. Monthly result, 36.32%. It is a one-shot bot, which means it either breaks even, loses, or wins. It does not martingale. Drawdown was 8.92%. We'll look at the balance first. As we see, we started off and immediately started taking some losses, and about $60, about $55 or $60 in losses in the first week. And I was kind of thinking, man, I did something wrong. And then it started taking right back off. So $363 in profit, 8.92% drawdown. And it does, if you'll notice, this does have losing days. It has days as it's going to lose. And that's one of the things about these bots. How can you adjust the risk and the drawdown? Basically, the easiest thing is to adjust the lot size, but you can also adjust some of the settings, how many trades it takes a day and stuff like that. Kind of shows our drawdown on different days. And that's not showing anything on margin, so we won't use that. Okay, in the summary, took 126 trades. 73% of the longs were won. 66% of the shorts are won. Best trade was $63.47. Losses. Worst loss, $10.57. That's what we have it set for, $10. So a little bit of movement, but worst loss, $10. Okay. The average loss, if we notice, is 200 pips, which is our stop loss, right? It moves to a break even pretty quick. So you get a lot of break even trades, or really on demo accounts, you get break even trades. On live accounts, you're going to lose about 50 cents on the trade or $1 on the trade, just because the slippage and the spread's slightly different. One of the things I did think is if people really don't like the drawdown, you could set your take profit a lot lower, but you miss that big $63 win, which really makes up for a lot of those little losses. This is new. This is the forecast. So it's forecasting basically that we would start the year 2025 with, I guess, 1.9K. and then this would be our movement up. Um, so actually, at the percentages that we're doing, it would be better than that because we would obviously be compounding. I think if we go to compounding, yeah, the it becomes much bigger if we actually compound our profit for that. So we did run this for half the month um, of November and half of December. We had 18.9% in November. So far in December, we're at the 15th today, and we are at 14.46%. So we will revisit this, I believe, mid-January and then again in mid-February. If everything's going right, and it does look like it will, we will move it to a live account sometime in February and then track the results on the live account. So we are running, if I didn't say it, Plexy Trade 1 in 500 and a MetaTrader 4. Guys, if you want this, I know some people couldn't get it to run. I do have it in the free Telegram group. I'm not selling any EAs. This is all free. And you may have to compile it in your version of MT4 in order to get it to work. I can't help you with that. That's something that you have to figure out how to do. So just real quick, this is what the screen looks like when the EA is running. It just draws a box in the hour or 2 hours that you give it. And then when this breaks out outside of it, it takes a trade. Unfortunately, you don't always get every trade because it does pull back sometimes, and it does look like we completely missed a lot of this action here. But if we look at the account history, we're looking back November 14th, we're trading 0.05 lots of Bitcoin. And what you'll see a lot of these $10 loss, $10 loss, break even, break even, break even, break even. And then you hit a win and a win, right? So in general, it takes a lot of small losses. And then when it does break out, it takes a win. So this is up $380 in demo money on a $1,000 account in 1 month. That was our 1 month review of running the Bitcoin Breakout Bot. If you want to try that out, start with a demo account. I'm running on Plexy Trade, but I've also tested on Ox Securities. Both of those I have a link down below if you want to use them. Both of those can be loaded with crypto. Ox Securities, if you live in the US, you can still wire them money. Plexy Trade is crypto only. If you like what you see, do me a favor, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.